On the 3rd of January 1868, the Meiji Restoration began when imperial loyalists in Japan seized control of the Kyoto Imperial Palace. Welcome to HistoryPod. Since 1603, Japan had been governed by the Tokugawa shoguns, whose military government ruled in the emperor's name. This system brought long internal peace, but enforced strict social hierarchy and limited contact with foreign powers. By the mid-19th century, pressure from Western nations seeking trade access exposed the weakness of the shogunate. Confidence was further undermined in 1853 when Commodore Matthew Perry's American fleet forced Japan to sign unequal treaties. Reform-minded samurai argued that the shogunate could no longer protect Japan's sovereignty and used imperial authority as a rallying point. Tokugawa Yoshinobu, the last shogun, resigned in 1867 in an attempt to preserve influence within a new political arrangement. Nevertheless, supporters of imperial restoration occupied key positions in Kyoto on the 3rd of January 1868 and announced the abolition of the shogunate. A new government was declared in the emperor's name, and authority was transferred to a council dominated by regional leaders. Tokugawa Yoshinobu rejected the move, and the resulting Boshin War lasted until mid-1869, ending with the defeat of the shogunate forces. Following victory, the government of Emperor Meiji embarked on a wide-ranging program of reform. Feudal domains were abolished, a conscript army was created, and Western models of law, education, and industry were adopted. Consequently, the proclamation of imperial rule marked not only the collapse of the old order, but also the beginning of a transformation that reshaped Japan's political structure, economy, and international position.